Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE and Tab A7 Lite are officially for sale. And what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. As we know, Samsung has two brand new tablets, the Tab S7 FE and the Tab A7 Lite. And both of these has been released in the June, and their time frame to be available has been given this month. But the wait is over now, and at least for the Russian market, the company confirmed today that both these Tab S7 FE and Tab A7 Lite can now be purchased online in Russia. They are available with LTE connectivity in two memory configuration. The Tab S7 FE LTE were launched in four color options: black, green, silver, and pink gold, with 64 gigs or 128 gigs of built-in storage. The 64 gigs model will cost you around $692, while 128 gigs variant will be priced at $761. Whereas the Tab A7 Lite on the other hand is coming with two color options, the dark gray and silver, with 32 and 64 gigs of storage. Price start at $207 for 32 gig variants, and 64 gig model will be coming at a price tag of $235. So there is going to be a significant difference, but there is no point to comparing both of these devices. Both have different functionalities. The Tab A7 Lite is a budget tablet for light mobile gaming and multimedia consumption that offers access to Samsung TV Plus out of the box. The Tab S7 FE on the other hand is the first ever Fan Edition branded tablet to be released by Samsung, and it's more of a productivity device that ships with an S Pen and can paired with an optional keyboard cover and accessories. So both the tablets have different functionality and for different people. The Tab S7 Lite is for those people who are looking for a budget level tablet device which will work for them for basic needs, whereas Tab S7 FE is going to be a tablet killer in terms of the Android world, and it will have a price tag with more of the functionality of a flagship level tablet. Moving forward, Samsung has unveiled the 50 megapixel ISOCELL JN1 camera sensor, and this is going to be one of the smallest sensor that the Korean company has ever produced. The size of a single pixel is just 0.64 micrometer, and it will have an entire sensor 1 by 2.76. It's coming with the ISOCELL 2.0 technology for advanced pixel isolation. Also, it's going to be supported by a tetrapixel technology that bends 4 pixel into one big 1.2.8 micrometer pixel for bright 12.5 megapixel images with less noise. On top of that, it's coming with a dual super face detection inside the device. In terms of videos, it's going to be coming with a 4K 60 FPS and 1080p 240 FPS support. Samsung ISOCELL JN1 is already in the mass production, so the first phone will be not far away for release. So anyhow, this sensor is going to be available for both the mid-range and flagship level devices. So this is going to be a great option because we have a more space for other component of the device to be included. So last but not the least, the Samsung Galaxy M32 design and full specification has been leaked. The M32 will be coming with a U-shaped 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 60 Hz of refresh rate, and on top of that, it's coming with a 20 megapixel selfie camera. Internally, it's going to be coming with a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, which is expected to be coming with a 4 gigs or 6 gigs of RAM option, 64 gigs and 128 gigs of internal storage, which will be expandable via micro SD card. The back housing a square camera bump, which is coming with a 48 megapixel of a main sensor alongside with an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, 5 megapixel macro camera, and a depth helper. The phone is coming with an Android 11 with One UI on top of that on the software side. So all in all, this is going to be a mid-range category device, so nothing fancier here. So guys, I am all excited about the tablet which are going to be coming later this month. So they are going to be having a pretty great specification. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about that? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.